G'day, welcome back to the 40 channel. Can't do much building on the FJ40 because we're out camping at Easter with my camping family. Check them out.
I'd love to hear about your theory on Keep talking.
Keep talking, Artsy, I can edit it out. Or maybe I won't. Righto, so we brought this out camping so we can do a bit of FJ40 building. Keep it on the mind all the time. Let's get into it. 2,101 pieces.
Oh,
I want to be doing it in the shade.
They're not rowing, are
They're rowing.
Yeah.
Where have they been?
Dad!
That's Jacob.
You're catching a moment, Jacob.
Yeah, sure. What happened, boys? Good effort, boys. You've been rowing for the last 2 hours, haven't you?
No, we like got in and we were like, why didn't it stop? We were like, oh, we're out of fuel.
Good effort, boys. Well done. Pretty impressive book.
Pardon, Matilda?
I think you drink well in the same
I don't know.
Oh, this is like, I'm out.
Thanks, Mum.
Oh, amazing.
Good saving. Oh, perfect.
That was this one.
Have you got one?
Jack's got carbon fibre in it. Nice. Solid as. It's coming along nicely. A few tag-ins. Good job. What happened, brother?
Oh, learners. Got my old plate still on there.
Yeah, right. You are a learner.
Got one ready to go.
Luckily, Brad's to the rescue. He's got all the gear. Just wait.
There's a bit of a traffic jam up ahead anyway, so I'm in no hurry.
This is the problem. How's the cruiser going?
Pretty good. Hopefully.
Show us.
Pistons and all that moves up here too.
That's really cool.
And the gears change.
Oh, nice.
I just hope I did that right.
Like that. Gotta do like that.
And lock.
We were like, oh well, we're not in a huge hurry.
This time you'll be like, we did that.
That's all. That's where it'll go.
I was with it for a while.
Nice. Cool.
I was trying to take the heat off one person. Like it? I'm pretty.
pro filmer right there.
It's about 900.
Dad, there's a stick there with bees forming all on it. Can you see it? Yeah, fun.
Pretty cool. Righto, so it's been, feels like the longest time that we haven't done anything to a 40 series build.
Yeah.
Except for this. So as you saw, we went out camping and Jack and I and a whole lot of other people jumped on board and helped us build this. So that was a lot of fun. Great time camping. It was good fun building this. Has lots of details. It's really cool. This came from Eric12 Lung on Instagram. So thanks, mate. That was good. It was a lot of fun building that. It was really cool. Righto, so some other really cool stuff has finally happened. What's going on?
So all of the parts have finally actually arrived.
Woohoo!
Pretty much all of the parts.
Most of it, yes. Just to get this chassis rolling again. So hopefully our next video, no, not hopefully, our next video we're going to get this chassis rolling again, aren't we, mate?
Yes, we will.
So all new Tough Dog suspension, springs, shocks, Polytough, which is an Australian made company, all their bushes, but all of it comes from Online Auto Parts. So all of it's supplied through Online Auto Parts, which is really exciting. We'll go into a lot more depth with those guys and all the stuff they sent with us next episode. But something else that's really, really cool. Whoa, it's blowing away. So another really great surprise turned up in the post after we came back camping from Easter, opened up the mailbox, and what was in there?
We have some stuff from Mike and Joe.
Mike and Joe, you guys are awesome. Thank you so much. Highly recommend you check out their Instagram page. Check out Mike and Joe's build. They're building an FJ40, doing a great job at it. So check them out. But they sent us some cool stuff. So they went to the Landcruiser Heritage Museum. Where?
At Salt Lake City in Utah.
Utah. So in the States, obviously. We would love to go there. They flicked us these shirts, a couple stickers, and the other really cool thing is Mike is
A musician.
a musician.
Yes, he
Yeah, he doesn't make a CD for no reason. Check him out on Spotify, or you can jump on and you can buy one of his CDs. He sent one of his CDs over to us. My wife loves it. Jack, what do you reckon?
I reckon it sounds awesome.
Yeah, fantastic. Definitely go check these guys out. It's all at the bottom. But another really cool thing is we're going to finish up leaving some of the footage and photos that Mike and Joe have sent to us from the Landcruiser Heritage Museum. Hope you guys enjoy it. And until next time, take care of yourselves.
Thanks for watching.
All right, Jason and Jack, we are at the Landcruiser Museum in Salt Lake City, Utah. We came here skiing and this is where it's located, so we thought we'd get you some footage. This is the very first Landcruiser sold in the United States. Not the first model, but the first vehicle. How cool is that? So it starts with originals from Japan and goes all the way up to present day.
You're the girl that everybody wants to know. You're the one they want to be close to. You got brains, you got beauty, you've got attitude, and you got it all working for you. And I know there's lots of boys that are hanging around right outside your door. But you can send them all home now, 'cause I'm the one you've been waiting for. And I'm gonna be first in line. I'm gonna make you notice me. I'm gonna be right on time. I'll make you mine, you just wait and see. I'm gonna be first in line. I ain't gonna get stuck at the back of the pack. No, I'm gonna be right on time. Standing up tall and not holding back. Yeah, well, I'm gonna be first. I'm gonna be first.
All right, Jason and Jack, we got your next build here. We're expecting great things. We want it to look just like this. If not, it should look like this. Or maybe like this. Custom rock crawlers. This is an Australian ambulance, FJ40. So these are mini cruisers from Europe, I guess. It's pretty cool. Okay, Jason and Jack, this is an 83 FJ40 Troopy from Australia. Another Australian vehicle. How cool is that?